In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a variable product in WooCommerce fast and easy. If you're running an online store with WooCommerce and need to add products that come in various sizes, colors, or any other variation, this simple guide will have you setting them up in no time. Let's get started. To begin, head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your website, where you manage all your content, including products. Once you're there, look on the left-hand side for the menu where it lists different sections. Click on the Products tab. This will bring you to the main product page, where you can manage all existing products and add new ones. Now, to add a fresh product, you'll want to click on the Add New Product button. This is where you'll start inputting all the details for your new item. Once you're in the new product page, the first thing you should do is type in a title. This is crucial as it quickly tells your customers what you're offering. Make it clear and descriptive to catch shoppers' attention. After you have your title, move down to add a detailed description of the product. This helps to provide your customers with all the information they might need, from uses and benefits to specifications. The more engaging and detailed your description, the more it encourages potential buyers to make a purchase. With your title and description in place, it's time to delve into the product data section. Here's where you define the type of product you're listing. Initially, it will show as a simple product by default, but since we're adding a variable product, we need to change this. Click on the drop-down menu and select Variable Product. This setting is important because it allows you to add different versions or variations of your product. Setting up variations involves more steps, such as adding attributes, skin types, or other variables that apply, and then defining their respective options. However, in today's overview, we're focusing on getting the basic setup. Once you've selected variable product, you're on the right track to adding more specific variations later on. Double-check everything is looking good and aligns with what you aim to display in your store. And there you have it, a streamlined way to set up a variable product in WooCommerce. Whether it's a shirt available in multiple sizes and colors, or a gadget with different configurations, this method gives you the flexibility to present all those options beautifully to your customers. Remember, the key to an effective product listing is clarity and providing all the information a customer needs to make a purchase decision. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling.